Sisters, you all know that we are still celebrating Easter. Today is Easter Monday. I wish all a happy Easter Monday. On the issue of this Edo Association conventions taking place in California, USA, I decided to come out again this evening to still press on my displeasure on this issue of Flavour coming to play in an Edo convention. It is so sad that some of our people are still trying to cover it up. They are still trying to make it look as if there's nothing wrong with an Igbo man coming to play in an Edo convention. Edo State is made up of 3 senatorial districts, and different traditions are seen in those places. We have Edo South, we have Edo Central, we have Edo North. We all have these areas, they all have musicians, prominent musicians that are recognized across the world. And one of the person that called me today, in fact, I received a lot of calls about this issue. One of the person that called me because an Igbo man coming to play in an Edo event. Have you ever, I want to ask them once again, have you ever seen in an Hausa party or in an Hausa gathering a Benin musician will be asked to come and play, or in Yoruba? This issue, we have to look at it very critically because of our children and those we are yet to born. How can somebody calling me this evening telling me that their children normally like Flavour? So a popular artist forgetting the area is from. We go to the event and enjoy the event instead of going coming from a man that I know very well. What are you showing to your children? What are you trying to tell your children about where you are from? An Edo man saying such thing, that there's nothing wrong in a convention that you are going to go with your wife, with your children. Other persons are coming with their wives and their children, their brothers and their sisters. They are all coming as Edo people, coming together as one. And you are saying that there's nothing wrong for an Igbo man to come and entertain your people. What are you showing your children? That is my question. Now, let's look at the areas this convention is going to affect lives. Take a look at Cross River State, Calabar. Every year, Calabar people across the world, they converge in a convention in their state. And all Calabar people, they come from every part of the world with their families to come and experience their culture, their art and culture, craft and culture. But our own people prefer to do their own in the US. The Edo National Association, the so-called organizers of this convention, should be called to order, because it's our time. I learned they've been doing this convention for the past 17 to 18 years. I want to ask them, how many times have they decided to come and host that convention in Edo State? You know, if such a convention comes to any city, like for example, they are going to host in Washington, this 2019 in Washington DC, hotels, people that have hotels will benefit. Transportation, people that have transportation will benefit. People that sell food, restaurants will benefit. A lot of things, you know, will a lot of beneficiaries. You know, what I expected these people to do is to talk to Edo State government to see how they can secure their coming. When they come into the state, they should be given adequate security for such an event to hold, so that people, their own people, will benefit. Instead, they are going to carry another musician, an Igbo man, to come and play in Washington DC in an Edo convention, in our convention. Where did we get it wrong? What is wrong with us as a people? The same thing I keep saying. Our people, we don't want to see others grow. He was telling me that people know about Flavour very well. So we don't have any musician that I know of. One they call Ramzo. I know of Majefa Shep. I know a lot of them. Righteous Man. I know Cynthia Morgan. These are Edo people. I know a lot of international stars that are from Edo. So you cannot patronize any of them. Or is Flavour coming to play for Edo convention for free? Are you not going to give him anything? Are you not going to accommodate him in the hotel? Are you not going to feed? Are you not going to pay for his appearance? If that money comes to your people, to your own Edo brother, is there anything wrong? Instead, you prefer to patronize an outsider. That cost, we must stop. We must stop that cost. It is our time we know ourselves. It is our time we think back home. How can you be hosting a convention for the past 17 to 18 years, and none of the events have been held in your own land. None of the events have been held in your own land. You prefer to be hosting it in Australia, in Singapore, in Paris, and meanwhile you are using Edo as a name to organize an event. What I expected the organizers to do, if it is every 3 years, they should be bringing it back home. If it is every 5 years, they will agree. They will arrange with the state government and do that. Instead, they are trying to convince me, Kotisugbo, to think the way they are thinking. I can never think the way they are thinking. God forbid. I can never think the way they are thinking. We need to grow ourselves. We need our brothers and our sisters to grow. You cannot be hosting an Edo convention in US, then raising money for yourself. How have you affected your state? Please, nobody should call me and tell me about this. Flavour should not play in an Edo convention. Flavour is an Igbo man. Have you ever seen an Igbo cultural day, even abroad that you live? When Igbos are celebrating their cultural day, they will bring a Benin man to come and play for them because it's popular, because it's known. Shame on you people, the organizers of this Edo convention. You people don't have sense. They say common sense is not common. Now they worry now. How can you? In fact, I'm using this medium to tell Edo State Governor, Godwin Onogagase Obaseki, and his aides not to attend that convention. because it is not of the Edo people. We are going to resist it. We are going to resist it. Enough of all this nonsense. How can you be using Edo? You are saying you are inviting the state governor to come and attend with our taxpayers' money. Edo state governor is our servant, is a chief servant to Edo state people. He is not the god of Edo state. He is our servant. He is a servant to us. We elected him, we gave him the mandate to be there. So we should not be saying he should come. He should tell them to, if he attend, if Governor Obaseki attend this event, or any of his aides attend this event in Washington DC, that means they are enemies of the Edo State. They are enemies of the Edo State. They are enemies of Edo State. If Governor Obaseki and his aide, any of his aides attend this event, that flavor is going to play. That means they don't belong to Edo State. They are enemies of Edo State. That event should come and hold here in Benin City, the capital of Edo State. That event should be brought to Edo State to come and hold. Let everybody come, all the Edos across the world, let them come to their state and feel what we all are feeling in Edo State. The next thing they will say now, they are talking of security, they are afraid. Are you telling me that there is no crime in Washington DC? What are we talking about? Why do we like deceiving ourselves? That one call me deceiving, trying to make me feel see reason with him. Why flavor should be allowed to play? It is not done. Igbo man, my brother, let us see this trouble. You know, Igbo man. Is that a proper thing to do?
Actually, it is good that people like you were able to see to this kind of mistakes of our brothers that are doing well in the US. You know, because naturally, now, Edo people are supposed to get our own course. We get our own calling.
Yes.
You understand now?
Yes.
And any suffer when you suffer, don't talk say that because of yourself you suffer the suffer. Like because of where you come from, yes. The Edo people, yes. That make you the suffer the suffer. Yes. And you know if you imagine, say as favour be, say Edo wan hold their convention, we will get even this boy wey dey sing for Italy sef, he dey there, una fit invite am, Edo musician. Many people wey be say dem be Benin boys, even dey Australia sef, una fit invite dem. Because US na big place we say. E good say una go hold am for US, but this year 2019 as my oga countries don say am, una bring the program come Benin too. Una check na September, October, una come Edo State, una go see wetin Governor Obaseki dey do for him hand.
You know,
because now e don reach our throat say we be Benin people, we just get the name, but we no get the unity, the unity as the Edo people. You know? And na we be the greatest. Edo na the greatest people. You know? We no say. No be say for me I no dey quarrel with una because here we can man say or who say na when you know reach and then you go think reach. You understand now? So for me, from my own perspective, I want to use this video to talk to you people over there in the US or in Italy or Europe or Canada, Australia. Say this time it is good to look in within ourselves so that we can have the best among the world. And if we know we might be able to No. You understand it now? No. So it is better we start to do things at the right time. It is our own culture, and our Benin culture must be displayed. Our language, what can I say? What can I say? Don't come and say, "Oh my, we." You understand it now? Because Mr. Curtis Obosi together, or in your part, he's just going to do it for some time. How many people have the kind of courage he got to pull all this kind of project to the international world? Few people. You understand now? So it's better we all have to support our own. Let's support our own. How much na wan give flavor? Now give am to this Benin boy wey dey play music for Italy. He go happy and from there Italian boys go join am for US. Boys from Slam go join am for US because they do it because of the Edo people, not because of people. Many people no even sell you. You understand me now? You understand me now? You go do your own flavor go do your own dance go comot. But when it come to Benin person, that boy wey they call that boy wey they call Benin boy dey sing for Italy. That boy dey very good. He sing very well. We have so many boys in Australia. I can give you contact of boys that are doing well in Australia. They are musicians. You understand me now? They are doing very big. You know, they can collaborate. Then from there, why we are there though? Why do we here though? Because you tell me that you know. No, okay, no matter. Don't you want rain to fall in your own country, in your own village, in your own state? There is. I know many people will be surprised that I'm in this platform. His opportunity and his platform that was given to me by Mr. Kotisugbo. Yeah. I really appreciate him because upon occurring my call, we the Benin, we need to follow our own course. Yeah. And our course is to speak our language. Yeah. Let our people know. Let's project our Benin language. Yeah. Let's not be ashamed of this reality. Yeah. It's done on us already. People are laughing at us. You understand now? We have some other guys. There is a Benin man. Let me tell you something. There is one Benin man. He went to Libya. He was deported and he suffered the whole suffer. He came to Benin and put it upon himself and said, "No, let me fight for my people. They are suffering there." You understand now? So he used you understand me? He brought them to Edo. He didn't only bring them to Edo. He tried to create a platform for craft learning for them. A profession, a learning platform so they can learn a craft in their hand. Most of them today they are farmers. Most of them they are artists. Most of them they are computer literate. Most of them they are tailors. Most of them they are fashion designers. They are doing well. You understand me now? Okay, imagine. Let me quickly throw this one in. In the old Nigeria, mani be talk back can emi obey government. If you Hausa, hear me obey government in Nigeria. If you Igbo, hear me obey government in Nigeria. If you Ijaw, no only Okwe now. Every month, the minimum person in Ijaw receives 75,000 naira. Where our own people, where our own Benin, Magbobole no way. It's high time we wake up. Let's try to encourage our own. It's time we have to encourage our own. And let me put it to you. By September is about 3-4 months away from now. You understand? Let's work towards it. Bring that Benin committee, convention. Bring it to Edo State. Come and hold it. You have opportunity to see your friends, your family, your old friends. For the few 2 weeks, 3 weeks you will spend in the country. Most of the time, you will still receive the heat. I'm sweating. You can see I'm melting. The country's got a good weather. You understand now? So let's come home and see what Obaseki is doing. Obaseki is doing great, and we want people to join us and do great. Thank you so much. I'm still here. I'm listening to my leader, Komedubu.
So that is what I have to bring you in. You may not be asking, I'll let me talk. It's getting out of hand. So I have said it. If the governor attend this convention that an Igbo man is going to play, or any of his aides, the governor or any of his aides attend, that means he's an enemy of Edo State. We are not here just because we have 3 central districts in Edo State. We have the Edo South, Edo Central, and Edo North. Eastern people are there, Eastern people are there. Everybody they are out there. How can we continue like this? Then you see, especially those social media rats that are always fighting themselves. Especially those Benin boys and girls fighting themselves on social media. What are you people fighting for? What did they worry now? Now not get sense. They make social media because of you now. Fighting yourself over nothing. So you are happy that you are seeing your brother suffering. The money when they want to go give flavor now, if they give out to one Benin boy or one Edo State boy from Edo Central or from Edo North, is it not a good thing? Then they'll carry contractors from other states come they work for our state.
That was not good.
That is a bad thing now. Even some of our contractors not good, my brother.
Okay.
Not be one the road where they do for Magbaso now. Not be Benin contractors one.
When
the same thing they talk, our people they will not.
It's a very bad thing.
Very bad thing. So my people, happy Easter Monday. Me, I don't tire to talk. Our people will get sense. Thank you and God bless. Make I drink my coke. When I coke, I drink this evening. Now I say, I not get money to buy beer. Now I say make I drink coke.